always get rid of this.
Why don't you put the material back over that box?
Yes. No, what I'm going to do is you could just take the sheet away, Leslie.
And then put pennies.
Oh, that's right, it's gone. And then we'll shape them up in a minute.
That's on video, is it?
Yeah, but it's just a big video.
And if you'll have a look, I'll show you how many there are in here.
Oh my goodness, look at them. I've never seen it like that.
I've never seen a skip that big.
Wow. Alright, so find the queen then, yeah?
I wonder who's heavy carrying that down. Right, that's some of them. We'll wait for them to start to walk. I'll put it down. 1, 2, 3. Well, give them a little helping hand. There they go. Half. Yeah. There they go.
So somewhere in that you're hoping that the queen is...
Yes. They wouldn't have stayed
No.
if the queen wasn't
So I mean,
amongst them.
hopefully now she's going to walk into the hive.
With them, yes.
There's always, must be always a chance that she might fall on the floor or...
Yes, yep. Yeah. There you go. A lot of bees.
A lot of bees. It's like they're getting congested in the doorway,
Yes.
like they don't know whether to
Yes,
go in or not.
that's right. If they go up, we'll push them down in a minute. It's a very small entrance to this hive, so we'll let those that go in first, and then move the rest in a minute. You saw that they were all hanging out the skep when I